Looking for the best tool chests? In this video we look at some of the top 3 tool chests on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Viper 4-drawer with bulk storage panel 16-inch. Pros: solid steel construction with a secure lock. Caster wheels move smoothly under load. Drawer space is ample and drawers slide easily. Cons: some reports of damage upon arrival. Assembly pieces may be missing. Drawers may be shallower than expected. Bottom line: the best feature of this commercial size tool chest is its versatility. Suitable for mechanics, hairstylists, repairmen, and more. Matching toolbox available for upgrade. At number 2. Craftsman 3-drawer metal portable 20-inch. Pros: compact design, easy to transport. Drawers stay locked between uses, safer for children. Craftsman product with reputation for quality. Cons: top lid must be open to unlock other drawers. Some drawers can wobble or become unbalanced. No separate space for small tools and parts. Bottom line: Craftsman prides itself on quality, and this portable tool chest is no exception. We like the safety lock mechanism and the sliding ball bearing drawers. Great gift idea for a handyman. At number 1. Gerstner International 11-drawer top chest 24-inch. Pros: rosewood finish gives a high-quality appearance, as do chromed latches and handles. Drawers are felt-lined to provide protective storage for delicate instruments. Cons: a replica of traditional cabinets, but imported and lacking the brand's original handmade quality. Mostly veneered, not solid wood. Bottom line: a beautiful looking American style chest designed for watchmakers and other owners of fine precision tools. It offers lots of versatile storage. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.